Alrighty guys, how's it going out there? Rooster and 10, roostercb.com, Stryker 497. This one belongs to a customer. He bought it a while back. It's a fully upgraded all the way 497. He also, when he purchased it, opted to have some upgraded wire put on it. It's double fused and has terminals, ring terminals on the end of it, so that was at his request. But he unfortunately had a failure on this one. Who knows? Who's to say what exactly caused it? I mean, it could have been high SWR antenna trouble, could have been accidentally running the RF power too high, or it could have just happened, okay? Sometimes stuff like that happens. And, if anybody ever tells you that there's a radio out there that's indestructible and cannot be blown up, they're definitely fibbing to you, because they can all tear up, and sometimes they don't really have to have a reason to. You just have a parts failure and they tear up. But anyway, again, who's to say what caused this one? You never really know. But the important thing is it's back running now. It's 10.8 and good to go. We're going to do a little output test on it for him and show him that this thing's running good and back up to snuff. I like the 497s a lot. I've said it for a while. They're probably one of my favorites, and we've been selling a ton of these. Okay, sold a bunch this year. Luckily, this is the only one that's experienced issues, so that's always a good sign there. But we'll check it out here. I'm running a Superstar mic on it. That's kind of what I like to run on. Hello, audio, check one. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Audio, check. Audio. Turn that talkback off. Let's see. I always forget because it's like their knobs are kind of reversed on these. So, hello, yeah. A lot of times I'll grab the outer knob for the talkback because it seems like that would make more sense for that to be the talkback knob and that to be the RF power. But anyway, we're going to test this thing at 14.9, and we're also going to test it at 13.5 just for a reference. I know sometimes people get on here and beat me up for not testing them at 13.5, so we're going to test this one at 14.9 initially, and then we'll go to 13.5. So you guys can kind of see we got an RF power set about 1 o'clock there. And let's just see where that translates at over here on the watt meter. So we got 250 watt slug. What's that give us? About 15 watts dead key. And really that should be plenty. I mean, you could run it a little higher if you wanted to. Audio. Audio. So right there in the 60 to 70 watt ballpark range on average power. And then here's your PEP, peak power. Hello, check 1, 2, 3. Hello, check 1, 2, 3. Hello, check 1, 2, 3. Hello, check. So hanging in there nice and good. 185, 175, something like that. We can turn our voltage down and see how it does. Where are we at? There's 13.7, okay? Just for transparency, I'll pan over here and show you guys. Well, it jumped up to 13.8, so 13.8 it is. Let's roll with 13.8 and see what it does. Still on PEP. Hello, check 1, 2, 3. Hello, check 1, 2, 3. Hello, about 160, 155 on a peak. Hello, yeah. Average power didn't change too much, so still good average power on it. But anyway, I know he's been wanting this thing back. He's been anxious to get it back, and it's been sitting here for a little while. But again, want to make sure that the radios are good before they go back, because I'm gonna tell you guys something. It's bad enough when somebody has a failure with their radio. Okay, they're already upset that they tore something up. The worst thing you can do is fix it, charge them, and then send it back to them only for it to fail again. So always like to be, extra thorough and make sure that it's not going to have a hiccup and, malfunction again shortly after the customer gets it back. Now, that said, there is a certain amount of responsibility on the customer to make sure that they've got their setup set up right for their radio too. You can't go put one of these on like a super high SWR or something like that and, expect it to be bulletproof. But again, guys, these are one of my favorite radios out there. Probably my favorite Stryker right now, and I like them a lot. Stryker 497 HPC. Got a bunch of these that are shipping out, and got a bunch of them that will be ready soon. This one is fully upgraded. Alrighty, Rooster and 10, roostercb.com. Thanks, everybody. See you, bye.